Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends! We are so happy to be here with you today.
Today we have a wonderful topic for you. It is very useful for everyday life.
Yes, today we are learning about ordering food in English.
Ordering food is something we all do. Whether you are at a cafe, a restaurant, or a fast food shop, you need to speak English.
Don't worry if you feel nervous. Today we will go step by step. We will make it super easy for you.
That's right. Before we start, if you love learning English with us, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, hit subscribe. It really helps us make more fun videos for you.
All right, are you ready, Alice?
I am always ready when it comes to food, David. I love eating.
Me too. So let's start from the very beginning. Imagine you walk into a restaurant. What is the first thing you do?
When you enter, a waiter or a host will greet you. They usually say, "Hello, table for how many?" or "How many people today?"
Exactly. And how do you answer? You can say, "A table for two, please."
A table for two, please. Let's repeat that slowly. A table for two, please.
Very good. What if you are alone?
Then you say, "A table for one, please."
Simple. A table for one, please.
David, what if I want to sit near the window? Can I ask for that?
Of course. You can say, "Can we sit by the window, please?"
Ah, can we sit by the window, please? I love sitting near the window. I can look outside while I eat my soup.
Or if you prefer sitting outside, you can say, "Can we sit outside, please?"
Can we sit outside, please? That is great for a sunny day.
Now the waiter will take you to your table. They will give you the menu and say, "Here is your menu."
You can say, "Thank you."
Next, after you sit down, the waiter often asks a quick question. "Can I get you started with something to drink?"
Oh, yes, that is a very common question. Can I get you started with something to drink?
Don't panic when you hear this. They just want to know if you want water, juice, or coffee right now.
Right, you can say, "Just water for now, please."
Just water for now, please.
Or, "I would like a cup of green tea, please."
I would like a cup of green tea, please. Notice how Alice said, "I would like."
Yes, "I would like" is much more polite than saying "I want."
That is an important rule in English. Always try to say, "I would like" or "I'll have" instead of "I want."
"I want pizza" sounds a little bossy, right, David?
Yes, it sounds like a hungry kid. So remember, say, "I would like a pizza, please."
Perfect. Now, David, what if you are not ready to order food yet? What do you say?
You can say, "We need a few more minutes, please."
We need a few more minutes, please.
Let's repeat that phrase. We need a few more minutes, please.
The waiter will say, "No problem. Take your time."
Take your time means do not hurry. Relax.
I like that phrase. Take your time.
Okay, now let's talk about looking at the menu. Sometimes menus have many words and you do not understand everything.
That happens to me in other countries all the time. What should I ask if I don't know what a dish is?
You can point to the menu and ask, "What is this dish?"
What is this dish? Simple and clear.
Or you can ask, "Is this dish spicy?"
Oh, that is very important for me. I cannot eat very spicy food. My mouth burns.
Me too. So asking, "Is this spicy?" is very helpful.
What if you want to ask what the restaurant is famous for? How do you ask for a recommendation?
Good question. You can ask the waiter, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend? Let's say it again. What do you recommend?
Or you can ask, "What is today's special?"
What is today's special? Many restaurants have a special dish made fresh every day.
Yes, The waiter might say, "Today's special is grilled chicken with roasted vegetables."
That sounds delicious, David. Now I am getting really hungry.
Me too, Alice. Now let's practice ordering the main dish.
Okay, when the waiter comes back, they will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
You can answer, "Yes, we are ready."
Then you tell them what you want. You can use 3 simple magic phrases.
Phrase number 1. I would like.
For example, "I would like the grilled chicken, please."
Phrase number 2. I'll have.
For example, "I'll have the pasta, please."
Phrase number 3. Can I get.
For example, "Can I get a cheeseburger, please?"
All 3 phrases are correct, polite, and very natural.
Let's repeat those 3 phrases together slow and clean.
Phrase 1. I would like.
Phrase 2. I'll have.
Phrase 3. Can I get.
Excellent. Now, David, what if someone is a vegetarian? Or what if someone cannot eat dairy or nuts?
That is very common. You can tell the server about your diet easily.
If you do not eat meat, you can say, "I am a vegetarian."
I am a vegetarian.
If you have an allergy, you can say, "I am allergic to nuts."
I am allergic to nuts.
Or, "Does this contain milk?"
Does this contain milk? That is a great question to ask.
You can also ask to change something in your meal. For example, "Can I have fries instead of salad?"
Ah, yes. Instead of means you change one thing for another.
"Can I have rice instead of potatoes, please?"
Can I have rice instead of potatoes, please? The waiter will say, "Sure, no problem."
Sometimes you want sauce on the side, not on top of your food. How do you say that?
You can say, "Can I get the sauce on the side, please?"
"Can I get the sauce on the side, please?" That is very useful.
Now, let's pretend the waiter brings the food to our table.
Yummy! The waiter places the plates down and says, "Enjoy your meal."
You answer, "Thank you."
While you are eating, the waiter might come back to your table and ask, "How is everything tasting?" Or, "Is everything okay here?"
This is just a friendly check. You do not need to give a long speech.
You can simply smile and say, "Everything is great, thank you."
Everything is delicious, thank you.
What if there is a small problem? What if your food is cold or you didn't get your drink?
Don't be afraid to speak up politely.
Exactly. Be polite. You can say, "Excuse me, my soup is a little cold. Could you heat it up, please?"
Excuse me, my soup is a little cold. Could you heat it up, please?
Or, if you are missing a fork, you say, "Excuse me, could I get a fork, please?"
Excuse me, could I get a fork, please?
Notice how we always start with "excuse me" and end with "please."
Yes. Excuse me gets their attention kindly, and please shows good manners.
Now you have finished your meal. You are full and happy.
Now it is time to get the check, or the bill.
In American English, people usually say "the check." In British English, people usually say "the bill." Both are correct.
How do you ask for it politely?
You can catch the waiter's eye and say, "Excuse me, can we have the check, please?"
Excuse me, can we have the check, please?
Or, "Could you bring us the bill, please?"
Could you bring us the bill, please?
What if you are eating with a friend and you want to pay separately?
Oh, that is called split the check.
You can tell the waiter, "Can we split the check, please?"
Can we split the check, please? This means each person pays for their own food.
That saves a lot of confusion at the end.
It sure does. Now, what if you could not finish all your food, but it was so good you want to take it home?
You ask for a box or a takeaway bag.
In the US, you can ask, "Can I get a to-go box, please?"
Can I get a to-go box, please?
Or, "Could you wrap this up for me, please?"
Could you wrap this up for me, please?
That is very natural English.
Now, let's talk about paying. The waiter will bring the check. They might ask, "How will you be paying today? Cash or card?"
You can say, "I'll pay with card, please."
Or, "I will pay with cash."
Simple and direct.
Before you leave, it is nice to say goodbye to the staff.
You can say, "Thank you. Everything was wonderful. Have a nice day."
Thank you. Have a nice day. It makes everyone happy.
Now, let's do a quick recap practice. Alice and I will perform a complete, realistic dialogue from start to finish.
Yes, listen carefully to how we put all these phrases together in a real restaurant situation.
I will be the waiter, and Alice will be the customer. Ready, Alice?
Ready, let's do it.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Green Bistro. Table for how many?
Hello, a table for one, please. Can I? White this way.
Here is your table by the window, and here is your menu. Can I get you started with something to drink?
Just water with ice, please.
Sure thing. I will be right back with your water. Few moments later. Here is your water. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I need a few more minutes, please. What do you recommend?
Our grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce is very popular today.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Is it spicy?
No, it is not spicy at all. It comes with a side of steamed vegetables and rice.
Great. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. But can I have fries instead of rice?
Of course! Grilled salmon with steamed vegetables and fries. Anything else for you?
That is all for now, thank you.
How is everything tasting today?
Everything was delicious. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Can I get you any dessert today?
No, thank you. I am full. Can I get the check, please?
Here you go. Take your time. How will you be paying today?
I will pay with card, please. Can I also get a to-go box for my remaining vegetables?
Absolutely. I will bring the card machine and a box right away.
Thank you very much.
Great job, Alice. That was a perfect restaurant dialogue.
Thank you, David. Did you notice how simple and clear all those sentences were?
Yes, if you practice those exact sentences, you can comfortably order food anywhere in English.
Now, let's move to our practice time. We have 3 quick questions for you, our listeners, to test your memory.
Question 1. How do you politely ask for a table when you arrive with one friend?
Think for a second. That's right. You say, "A table for 2, please."
Question 2. What is a polite way to say what food you want to order?
Remember our magic phrases. You can say, "I would like the chicken, please," or "I'll have the pasta, please."
Question 3. How do you ask for the total bill at the end of your meal?
You can say, "Can I have the check, please?" or "Could you bring us the bill, please?"
Excellent job. Now let's do our key phrases review. We will read the most important phrases slowly and clearly. Repeat after us out loud.
Ready? Let's repeat.
A table for 2, please.
A table for 2, please.
Can I get you started with something to drink?
Can I get you started with something to drink?
We need a few more minutes, please.
We need a few more minutes, please.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I would like.
I would like.
I'll have.
I'll have.
Can I have fries instead of salad?
Can I have fries instead of salad?
Excuse me, can we have the check, please?
Excuse me, can we have the check, please?
Can I get a to-go box, please?
Can I get a to-go box, please?
Outstanding work, everyone. Repeating out loud is the best way to improve your speaking confidence.
Yes, practicing out loud makes a huge difference. Don't be shy.
Now, we would love to connect with you.
Tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite meal to order at a restaurant?
Write your answer in simple English in the comments section. Alice and I read your comments and love seeing your practice.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today. Keep practicing every day, even for 5 minutes.
You are doing great. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy learning.